Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you don't know, I just recently did my big chop few days ago, and if you've not watched that video, please go and watch that video before you start watching this one, because you get to understand every single thing that I'm doing. And I promise to take you guys along this journey and show you guys every single thing I'm going to do. So for today's video, I'm going to start with my protein treatment. Now this particular treatment I am doing in this video is one thing that really helped me retain length when I was carrying my relaxed hair. This particular treatment works immediately, like it works with immediate effect. You start seeing results immediately you use it. And the product I'm using today, I'm going to show you guys the product I'm using later in this video. So before I start, I like to detangle my hair first. You like to detangle your hair first. And this treatment is for relaxed hair and also natural hair. This particular treatment will make you see zero to no hair when you comb your hair. It stops breakage, and if your hair is shedding too much, it's going to stop every single thing, like instantly once you finish using the treatment. So I start by detangling my hair first, and when I am done detangling, for the detangling process, I used only water. Now you're supposed to do this treatment on clean hair, which means you should have shampooed your hair first before you start using this treatment. And for my shampoo, I didn't bother to show you guys why I was washing my hair, because I've posted the wash day routine previously. So I'm just continuing from where I stopped from my last video. So I washed my hair with my TGIN moisturizing shampoo that had so much moisture and it left my hair hydrated. It didn't dry my hair at all. And then I also used a conditioner that contained keratin, just a little amount of keratin. And I didn't do a deep conditioning treatment because I knew I was going to do this protein treatment first. So I am just detangling my hair with water, and when I am done detangling my hair and sectioning my hair, I will come back to show you guys the next thing to do. Now it's time to introduce the star of this video, which is the Afroji 2-step protein treatment. This is like liquid gold, you guys. Every single person that comes to me for hair growth, or people that I'm coaching currently to help them grow their hair, they will testify that this product has been working wonders. This is one of the products I usually recommend to my will I call them students or my or people that I'm actually coaching. This is one of the products I recommend amongst other products that I also recommend. And I am going to start by pouring this particular product into a spray bottle because it is quite messy and it smells really bad. You can see my face as I'm already applying it. It is sticky, it is messy. So I think the best way to use this product is by pouring it into a spray bottle to make it easier to apply to your hair. Now I'm going to apply this thoroughly to every single part and section of my hair. Like, you don't want to miss any single spot. So I'm going to spray it and also spray in sections. Like, I want to make sure that my hair is properly saturated with this product. Now I'm going to do this at round my hair, like I section my hair into four. So I'm going to do this section by section until my hair is fully saturated. Now this product costs 7,000 naira if you are in Nigeria, and depending on where you buy, you may buy this product between 7,000 naira up to 8,500 or 9,000. Yes, it is expensive. It was not this price before when I was buying it, and this is just the step one. But if you are actually interested in retaining length and making sure that you retain every single length you're growing out, and you don't want your hair to break or fall out, then I think this is a very good investment, because it's going to last you for at least 2 or 3 times, depending on how big or how much density you have on your hair. You can see what I'm talking about. It is really sticky. So this is something I really recommend you invest in if you are trying to actually grow your hair and retain length. Now after applying this, you're going to use your blow dryer to blow dry this until your hair is stiff and completely dry before you wash it out, and then go in with the balancing moisturizer, which is the step 2. Now I am just going to apply this balancing moisturizer thoroughly to my hair, and then I'm going to cover my hair for a few minutes, from 2 to 10 minutes or even 30 minutes, as long as you want it. Now the work of this balancing moisturizer is going to neutralize and balance the pH of the hair. After using the 2-step protein treatment, it is very necessary to get both the step 1 and step 2. Now after washing it out, the final thing I am going to do is to apply my Koi Lala by Jackie. This product smells really nice. I am going to apply this product to my hair and comb my hair and then twist my hair. So I'm using this product. You can also use a gel. You can also use a gel in place of this Koi Lala. You can use your leave-in conditioner in place of this Koi Lala. I actually wanted to do a twist out, which was the reason why I used the Koi Lala, but I didn't use gel. I should have used gel as well, but I just wanted to try out the Koi Lala and see the result it's going to give me, and see the definition it's going to give me by the time I take down my twist. So this is what my hair looks like. And I forgot to mention that I really did a big trim. I trimmed my hair after applying the second step, and then while I was twisting my hair, I was also chopping off the ends of my hair, which came after this particular clip. While I was doing my twist out, I was trimming the ends of my hair, the straight parts of my hair that were remaining. Now the reason why my hair looks like this is because I have very loose coils. I don't know if I've mentioned, but I'm not going to jump on the 4C train and say that I have 4C hair, because I've seen the kind of coils I have and they are not tight. Especially in the middle part of my hair, I don't have tight coils at all. So my coils look almost straight. So thank you guys so much for watching. The next video you guys are going to see is me taking down my twist and showing you guys how I did my twist out. And we're going to see what my hair looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section. I'll reply every single question you have. And if you want to join my coaching class, click the link in the description box that's showing long heady hair regimen. I am going to coach you for at least 6 months to see that your hair is actually thriving and you get to your desired hair length.